October the 18th is in the books here on Wall Street. Here's the New York Minute. You can sum up today as an absence of bad news, which plenty of people would have settled for in advance. Stocks were generally strong across the world, so were bonds. Foreign exchange remained calm. Now that's in part because of today's macroeconomic data. The big news was on inflation here in the US. And as you can see, core inflation, excluding food and fuel, remained under control. It even ticked down a little. That's good news given that many were worried that inflationary pressures were ticking up. Meanwhile, we also now have third quarter earnings season well underway here in the US. Netflix, one of the big fashion stocks of last year, which had come under a lot of pressure, is now back in fashion. It managed to surprise investors with its earnings, and you can see that it was rewarded with quite a bump. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs, the very powerful investment bank, which had been out of favor, many doubted that the investment banking model could still work, that trading revenues were gone forever. Well, it looks as though rumors of its death were exaggerated. It's still too early to draw too many conclusions, but for the time being, there is an absence of bad news. And that's the New York Minute.